The hynade MTA-200PRO 3-in-1 welder is a versatile tool that combines MIG, TIG, and stick welding capabilities, making it ideal for a wide range of welding tasks. This welder features a synergic function with an intelligent control system, allowing for automatic adjustments to achieve optimal welding results with minimal effort. Its dual voltage capability of 110 volts and 220 volts ensures flexibility and compatibility with different power sources, catering to both professional and hobbyist needs. The welder provides a smooth arc and reduced spatter thanks to its advanced arc force and hot arc technology, which automatically controls voltage and current. It is equipped with a digital display for easy reading of current and voltage settings, enhancing user convenience and precision during operation. Included accessories such as a MIG torch, ground clamp, and stick holder, along with various wires and contact tips, provide a comprehensive package for immediate use.